Hey people, here are 7 rare traits that only 10% of people actually have. First, you can wiggle your ears without using your hands. If you can make your ears move just by thinking about it, congratulations, you have control over vestigial muscles that most people lost throughout evolution. This means your nervous system maintained neural connections that should have disappeared thousands of years ago. While everyone else is trying to force their ears with their fingers, you're there moving them like it's some ancestral superpower. Real talk, this is rare genetics working in your DNA. Second, you sneeze when you look at bright lights. If a strong light makes you sneeze automatically, you have something called photic reflex, and that's not normal, it's special. Only a small percentage of the population carries this dominant genetic trait that connects your optic nerves directly to the sneeze center in your brain. While other people are blinking, trying to adjust to the light, your body is reacting with a neurological response that comes from hunter ancestors who needed to clear their airways quickly when leaving dark caves. It's like having an automatic cleaning system installed from factory. Third, you can't roll your tongue. Wait, this might seem like a disadvantage, but it's actually a genetic rarity. Most people think being able to roll your tongue is normal, but those who can't have a specific genetic variation that affects the formation of lingual muscles during development. This means your genes prioritized other motor skills while you were developing in the womb. It's like having a custom version of body software that chose other specializations. While everyone else is making straw tongues, you're there with a unique genetic configuration that scientists are still studying. Fourth, your eyes change color depending on your emotion or weather. If you've ever noticed your eyes get greener when you're angry or bluer when you're sad, you have iris with unstable melanin, which is absurdly rare. Most people have fixed eye color because melanin is distributed in a stable way, but you have cells that react to hormonal changes, temperature, and even emotional state, altering how light reflects in your iris. It's like having a natural mood ring installed on your face. This happens because your melanocytes respond to neurotransmitters in a hypersensitive way, creating a visual communication system that few people in the world possess. Fifth, you have a dimple on only one side of your face. Asymmetric dimples are a fascinating genetic anomaly that happens when only one side of your face developed a small difference in the zygomaticus major muscle during embryonic formation. This isn't a defect, it's exclusivity. While symmetric dimples are more common, having just one is like having a unique facial signature that no plastic surgery can replicate perfectly. Your DNA decided you needed a natural trademark and chose to give you something that not even identical twins can have the same. Sixth, you can hear your own voice in your head as if it were another person talking. If when you think, you literally hear a distinct voice speaking the words inside your mind, you're part of a neurological minority. Most people have more abstract thoughts without a clear and defined inner voice. But you have what neuroscientists call extreme subvocalization, where your brain activates the same areas it uses to speak, even when you're just thinking. It's like having an internal narrator with its own voice, audio system, and everything. This indicates that your auditory cortex is connected to your speech cortex in a more direct way than normal, creating a mental experience that most people simply don't have. Seventh, you taste metal in your mouth when you're nervous or stressed. If anxiety tastes like old coins to you, congratulations. You have taste receptors that react directly to cortisol, the stress hormone. This is a rare neural connection where your digestive system is literally talking to your nervous system through taste. While other people only feel anxiety as butterflies in stomach or racing heart, you have a gustatory alert system that turns emotion into flavor. It's like having an emotional chemical detector installed on your tongue that warns you when your hormone levels are altered. This happens because your taste receptors have increased sensitivity to chemical changes in blood, creating a synesthetic experience that scientists are still trying to understand completely. If you identified with at least 3 of these traits, you're definitely not a common person. Your body is a unique combination of genetic variations that make you literally different from 90% of the world's population. This isn't just curiosity, it's science proving that you're special. Comment down below how many of these traits you have, Subscribe to the channel for more content about human body rarities, and leave a like if you discovered something new about yourself today. See you next time.